Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Philbang. Today I wanna share you how I got a visit visa to go here to Bangladesh. Based on my experience, quit to Bangladesh, what we need to bring are the original document. My my visa is COFOL, and what we need to bring is the marriage certificate original and passport original and picture for visa. And it is necessary before we go to Bangladesh Embassy that we have a photocopy of our requirements like passport copy and marriage certificate and spouse passport copy. And we need to know the address of where we are going and the mobile number of our spouse so that, so that we don't offload when it comes to immigration and we arrive at the Bangladesh embassy. Let's get a paper to fill up, then we'll touch the requirements there. Then for a single visa we pay 17 KD, and if double visa double entry is 34 KD. Then when we have faith, let's wait for a 1 week to release our passport that our visa is already there. But like me, I'm a Philippine. It's more than 1 week. So before you buy a ticket, you have your visa. Before, because based of my experience, when they was told me they come after 1 week, when I returned to Bangladesh embassy, I will get my visa and they was told me it was not yet done. So my advice to you is before you buy a ticket, make sure you have already hold your visa. And when you come here to Bangladesh in immigration, they will asking you where you going and the address. To avoid offload, what I'm sharing with you is based on my experience. And if you have any question about this, just comment below. And if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment, and share to keep you updated on my next video. And thanks for watching, guys. And and when you are here in Bangladesh, the nature is so nice. And the people here are so kind. I come here because I want to visit my husband's country. Okay, guys. Once again, thanks for watching my video and God bless. I hope you enjoy this my video and bye bye.